back to Data Learn. In today's video, we are going to be talking about format as a table. Alright, so for this video, I have taken a small table so that it's easier to explain this particular topic. But format as a table usually is useful when you have large data sets. It's even okay with a smaller table. So in case you want to present your data in a much presentable and neat format, this particular function is really useful. So in this video, we'll keep it short and simple on how to create your table easily. There are a few other things in this topic which we will cover in another video. For this one, we're going to keep it short. Alright, let's dive into it. So format as a table is available under the Home tab, under Styles here as format as a table. Okay, let's click on it. So once you click on format as a table, there are three options here: light, medium and dark. So this is just the colors and the style in which you want to format your table. It's entirely up to you what you select. So I'll select this blue one. Okay, so Excel will automatically identify the table on your sheet and highlight it. Like in this example, it says my table is from A1 to G16. Alright, so you can manually also enter the location of your table here, but obviously it's much easier because Excel identifies it on its own. Another thing is it says my table has headers, meaning date, region, representative, item, units. These are the headers. So if your table has a header row, you will check this box, otherwise you can keep it unchecked. Okay. Alright, so now my table has been formatted in the blue format that I selected. So here the distancing is not looking so good. So I'll select the entire table and do a double click here. So now this seems a little better. You can do it a couple of times till the formatting is okay with you. This seems all right. Okay. Alright. So when you click on the table, it will give you another tab here known as Table Design. So this tab has a number of options covered inside it. So as I mentioned earlier, I won't cover all the options. I'll do it in another video. For this one, I'll just keep it to the bare minimum that you would need. So here there is something known as table name. So you can go and change the name of your table. Like I'll name it to supplies. Alright. So the table name is something that comes in use when you are doing VLOOKUPs, where you need to reference your table quickly. So you just type in the name of your table and your table is quickly referenced. So that is where this table name comes into picture. Another thing about this is when you select your table design, you can again go and change the format from here. When you hover on the data, it will change it here. So to give you a preview on how your table might look. So in case you have a change of mind, you can go and change your table design. Another thing is there's something known as new table style here. So in case you are working in an organization, they need a particular style that you need to stick to. So you might create a new table in that case. But obviously there are a number of formats here. You might as well select one from them. But in case you want to format, you click on format. You can change the way your text looks. You can create borders and also a fill. Okay, I'll name it as format 1 and say okay. So the table won't get automatically formatted here. Your format will show under custom. So when I hovered on it, it's formatted in the way I wanted it. Alright. So that pretty much covers what I wanted to talk about in this video. Another main and useful thing about table is in case you want to get rid of this table format, all you need to do is click on convert to range. So when you click on convert to range, it will ask you, do you want to convert the table back to a normal range? I say yes. Alright, so now this is just a normal range data. All your table options have disappeared, but the formatting remains, that is, the colors remain. In case you want to get rid of this as well, you can simply just go to no fill, and that one's gone as well. It's just a plain table. Okay, so this pretty much covers everything for this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and let us know in case you want us to cover any other topics, you have any suggestions. We will surely make a video on any topic you would like us to cover. Thank you.